Greetings, Dompeteers. Today we embark on a thrilling voyage to the red planet Mars. For centuries, it has captivated our imagination, a celestial beacon of possibility. But what if I told you Mars wasn't just a distant dream, but a frontier within reach? In this epic adventure, we'll delve into the groundbreaking plans to colonize and terraform the red planet, transforming it from a barren wasteland into a thriving human colony. Our Martian Odyssey begins with the audacious task of establishing a foothold. We'll need ingenious solutions to survive the harsh Martian environment. Imagine inflatable habitats, bubble-like homes that shield us from the thin atmosphere and radiation. But the future is taking shape with 3D printing technology. This revolutionary tool will allow us to construct permanent structures using Martian regolith, the dusty Martian soil. And for water, the elixir of life Mars holds a hidden treasure trove, ice deposits buried beneath the surface. Extracting this water will be crucial for drinking, agriculture, and even generating breathable oxygen through electrolysis. Martian agriculture will be a necessity, not a luxury. We'll cultivate crops in specially designed greenhouses, potentially using hydroponics or aeroponics to maximize yield. Imagine the first bite of a munchy Martian potato, a milestone in human history. Solar panels will be our primary source of energy, but Martian nights are long and brutal. Nuclear power could be a game changer, providing a reliable and sustainable source of energy for our Martian outposts. This powerful methane-burning engine developed by SpaceX is a game changer for reaching Mars. The Starship rocket, powered by a cluster of Raptor engines, promises a more cost-effective and reusable way to transport humans and cargo to the red planet. Visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk's SpaceX aims for a self-sustaining Martian city on Mars. His Starship system envisions a reusable spacecraft carrying hundreds of colonists and supplies on each trip. This ambitious plan could pave the way for a faster and more economical path to Martian colonization. NASA, the world leader in space exploration, is already laying the groundwork for a human mission to Mars. The Perseverance rover is currently exploring Mars, searching for signs of ancient life and testing technologies vital for future human habitation. Terraforming, the science fiction staple, becomes a real possibility. It's a long-term vision, but one that ignites our sense of wonder. Here's a glimpse into what it might entail. Mars's thin atmosphere is a major hurdle. We could introduce greenhouse gases like methane or carbon dioxide, gradually warming the planet and creating a thicker atmosphere that can trap heat. As the atmosphere thickens, the Martian poles will start to thaw, releasing water vapor and further amplifying the greenhouse effect. This could transform Mars from a desolate landscape into a world with oceans, lakes, and rivers. Mars offers a wealth of resources, metals, minerals, and potential energy sources. Extracting these resources could fuel a new space-based economy, creating jobs and propelling humanity into a new era of space exploration. Colonizing Mars isn't just about creating a new home, it's a scientific goldmine. Here are some of the groundbreaking discoveries that await us. The biggest question of all: the search for extraterrestrial life will be a top priority. By studying Martian fossils or searching for signs of microbial life, we could rewrite the story of life in the universe. Imagine finding evidence of ancient microbes or even simpler life forms. It would revolutionize our understanding of the potential for life beyond Earth. Mars holds a geological record of our solar system's formation. Studying its rocks and minerals will provide invaluable insights into the history of Mars and Earth, helping us understand our place in the cosmos. We could learn about ancient volcanic activity, impacts from asteroids and comets, and how Mars' climate has changed over billions of years. Terraforming Mars is a multi-generational project, requiring sustained effort and innovation. The challenges are immense, and the timeline for success is uncertain, but the potential rewards are worth the effort. A transformed Mars would offer a new home for humanity, a chance to ensure our long-term survival as a species. Colonizing and terraforming Mars is an ambitious undertaking, a testament to human ingenuity and our yearning to push the boundaries of the known. The challenges are immense, but the rewards are even greater. A new home for humanity, scientific discoveries that will redefine our understanding of the universe, and the chance to inspire generations to come. This is not just a mission to Mars, it's a journey to a future filled with hope, wonder, and the indomitable human spirit of exploration. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of Mars. The red planet beckons and humanity is ready to answer the call. What do you think? Will we see a Martian colony in our lifetime? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more space adventures.